Resilience. A force that keeps us going, keeps the world turning. We hack and we saw. Yet nature keeps giving, keeps blooming for us. Every day we resolve to see a better world. Yet consumerism gets the better of us, lulling us into its sweet embrace. Our lives overcome with the temptations of energy consumption. Our resilient world is slowly succumbing to the effects of global warming. Climate change is gradually eating away our precious world. The time to reclaim resilience is now. As the largest force to reckon with in the renewable energy industry in Sri Lanka, we at Wind Force are giving our all to saving our environment via energy conservation, investing in 3 diversified offerings: wind power, solar power, and small hydropower. The first Sri Lankan company to establish solar plants in Pakistan, Ukraine, and Uganda, made possible by our exceptional engineering prowess. Because we believe in creating a resilient future regardless of the chaos. We are indeed strong advocates of renewable energy. Energy that does not replete. Energy that is resilient and therefore can be renewed over and over again. Reducing our carbon footprint, saving an annual rate of 390,500 metric tons, feeding a total of 365 gigawatt hours per annum to the national grids, and an installed capacity of 218 megawatts. We are working towards nurturing our world and strengthening it for the generations to come. Powered by a total of 27 plants established locally and internationally. We are staying true to our mission and are well on our way to making our Sri Lanka and eventually the world a true sanctuary of conscious living towards a resilient world.